My name is Chandra Shekhar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in SVSET Chittoor, which is affiliated to JNTU Anantapuram. And also I got 8.3 CGPA. I completed in 2023. In college days only, I got some information about embedded. While they are teaching embedded, I got to know some interested in embedded to do. In day to life, we are seeing so many things. We don't know how it will be happen. I thought it is interesting, so I take it embedded as a my career growth. And I taken Emertxe. I get from my friend. He came from Andhra Pradesh only. He also got placed here only, and then he suggested me to do embedded course in Emertxe. They will teach only subject, not a practical implementation in colleges. But here they will tell real-time examples and how we need to execute our skills and also solve the problems. If you do more projects, you can get some knowledge about what are all those things are doing in real life and how it will be working. Then it will easy to learn. I completed 8 projects in Emertxe. Before joining Emertxe, I attended only few companies, but I didn't got there. Now then I came to here. Then I got some 2 to 3 companies. First I got from Hyderabad. There they asked only Python related questions, but I don't know the Python. Then Xeedo technology I got placed there. They are asking C related questions and MC projects. Then I explained my projects, and 2 technical rounds are there. I cleared the 2 technical rounds based on my C language. If you want to come and learn embedded system means you need to know about digital electronics first. Then you can learn embedded system engineer.